Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at this Whirlpool top freezer refrigerator. We will show you how to remove and replace the door switch. Now, let's begin your repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools you need for this repair is a 1/4-inch nut driver and a tack puller. To access any components inside the refrigerator section, we will have to remove your console portion right here. Now to do so, first we'll start pulling out on the thermostat wire. Be very careful when doing so. This plastic can break rather easily. We will pull out on the side to release it. Next, we have one 1/4-inch screw that is holding on the console. Undo this. Pull down on your console. Remove your wiring harness. Use a flat blade screwdriver to lift up on the locking tab, pull down, and set your console aside. Now that we have the console removed, we have placed it on a protected surface. We have clear access to our door switch assembly. Now, the two main reasons why you're replacing a door switch is if the light is staying on or the light will not come on at all. Now, to test your door switch, as long as you've tested to make sure that your bulb is good, we will remove your Molex connectors. And at this point, we have the two prongs of the door switch. Now, a typical door switch should operate with the switch out. You should have no continuity, but as soon as you push the switch in, you should have continuity. If you have any other reading than this, that indicates that you have a bad door switch. Now, to remove your door switch, we'll press in on the inside while pressing on the switch. Start to push it in, pop it out, and set it aside. To install your new door switch, you will place it where the prongs are going toward the thermostat, slide it in, start to get it in place, and make sure that this side is in first before you push in. We will reinstall our terminals. Now we can reinstall the console. When reinstalling your console, first we will line up this slotted area on the top. Start to push in. Reattach your wiring harness. By hand, push your 1/4-inch screw in and start to reattach it, followed by tightening it up. On the back thermostat portion, slide in the side clip first. You will have to apply pressure here as these tabs are extremely stiff. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.